Good morning, everyone. I'm Mandeep Kaur. I'm representing group number 20, and we would be discussing the topic corporate governance and information security. What does it means, corporate governance? Corporate governance refers to the system of management and control of companies focusing on balancing the interest of stakeholders, such as shareholders, management, customers, and the public. These slides tell us why is information security important. So number one is protecting an organization functionality. Second is protecting an organization data because every company has their own data which has to be secured. Number three is reducing the data breaches. Number four is safeguarding technological assets. And number five is protecting from malware. Next slide is about COVID framework. So what does it mean, COVID framework? COVID means um, control objectives of information and related technology. It's a framework for developing, implementing, and monitoring IT governance and management policies. So we'll discuss about various components. There are 5 components of COVID. These are separating governance from management, meeting stakeholder needs, covering the enterprise end to end, establishing a holistic approach, applying single integration framework. So my colleague will discuss in detail about these framework.
Hi everyone, my name is Hazel Gupta. So I'm just continuing this presentation. I will discuss the key component. The first one is meeting stakeholders' needs. So we have to meet stakeholder need at every point of business. In rather we are making any major decisions, anything. We have to be meet these needs. In it, I will explain is satisfy stakeholders' needs by creating value from business investments and managing risks effectively. Like the stakeholders have invested money in our business, so we have to manage the risk. Like the risk should be minimum to minimum for the stakeholders. Next one is it translates stakeholders' needs into a specific actionable enterprise goal. So stakeholders should be happy that they have invested in a good company. So we have to be take care in every aspect of business. The next one is governing the enterprise end to end. Like in it, end to end means like we have to focus mainly on IT or security, so we have to be governing all should be informed in detail information focus on IT process and covers all enterprise function and processes. Next, it views the enterprise like holistically, taking into account business IT season across all the levels. Like it should not be at the like only the at lower level or at the major level. The IT process and its or at the every level it should be a good and effectively and it should be under control. The next one is applying a single integrated framework. Like there should not be a like so many frameworks, like this department has to work like this department has to work like this. Like there should be a single framework. I know like every department has to meet their own goals, like because of their area, their sectors, their different rules, but the framework, like to manage and govern IT, it should be a single framework. So like employees should not be in a rush, like what have to do, what have to we not to do. The next one is enabling a holistic approach. In it, we will discuss processes, organizational structures, policies, culture, information, service, and infrastructure. All these components is very essential in this approach. Last but not the least is separating governance from management. Governance is about setting strategic objectives, monitoring performance, and ensuring enterprise goals are met. Managing involves planning, building, running, and monitoring activities to achieve the goals set by governance body. Next, the separation ensure that organization meet a certain structure of responsibility and processes. It should be a very important for a business, like governance and management should be a separate, but altogether the decision is a good one for the stakeholders. Thank you so much for this. I hope you get with me.
Hi, good morning all. Myself Paramjeet. I'll continue this slide now. Benefits of COVID: improved governance. The one of the benefit is. Second one is enhance risk management. Third, better resource utilization. Fourth, regulatory compliance. Fifth, improved performance measurement and enhanced stakeholder transactions. Second one, on the next slide, core principle of effective corporate governance. Transparency. Transparency means openly sharing accurate and timely information about the company activities with stakeholders. Second, accountability. It ensures that the board and management are responsible for their actions and act in the best interest of the company and its stakeholders. Third is ethical conduct. It involves operating in a fair, just, and legal manner, respecting moral standards and corporate laws. And the next slide, core principle of effective corporate governance. Risk management life cycles. Risk identification, risk analysis, risk mitigation planning, risk management implementations, review and tracking. Risk management. It is a process of identifying, understanding, and responding to hazards that confirms harm your company. The process enhances risk of sizes, both internal and external. Thank you.
Hi, I am Muhammad Junaid Fazal and I will continue with the rest of slides. I will do comparison between COBIT and ITIL. So the COBIT is the shortest form of control objective for information and related technology, while ITIL is the shortest form of information technology infrastructure library. So the main focus of COBIT it is on the governance and management of IT resources. Basically, COBIT ensures that IT aligns with broader business objectives and operates in a controlled and efficient way. You can say that COBIT is often used by organizations that want to ensure IT plays a strategic role in business decisions and making sure that IT resources are well managed and risks are minimized. So, on the other hand, ITIL, the main focus of ITIL is on IT service management, which is also known as ITSM, and the operational processes which involved in delivering IT services. So, you can say that ITIL, the main goal of ITIL is to ensure that IT services is meet the need of the business and customers, which basically focusing on improving IT service quality, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. And the main purpose of COVID is to align IT with business objectives and ensure risk management across the organizations. COBIT provides a framework for managing IT investments and optimizing IT resources to support business goals. While ITIL, the main purpose of ITIL is to improve service delivery and enhance customer satisfaction. ITIL basically provides, you can say that it provides a set of best practices that enable organization to improve how they design, deliver, and manage IT services. So this leads to more reliable and high quality services. Uh, and The third one, the next we have to go to the scope. The main scope of COVID is IT governance, control, risk management, and compliance. Basically, it covers the IT governance, control, risk management, and compliance. So COBIT is covers both the management of IT resources and the governance of IT at a high level, ensuring that risks are managed and that IT contributes to business success. While ITIL focuses especially on the IT service lifecycle management, which includes strategy, design, delivery, and support of IT services. So ITIL is more services oriented, guiding organization in how to efficiently deliver IT services throughout their entire life cycle, from initial planning to continuous improvement. And the next we move on to the key framework. So the COVID offers a governance framework consisting of five governance domains and four management domains. These domains basically guide organizations in structuring their IT governance practice, and COVID's framework is flexible and can be tailored to meet specific organization needs. So while ITIL utilize a life cycle based approach with five stages, which includes strategy, design, transition, operation, and improvement. So these stages represent the full life cycle of IT services, from their conceptions to continuous improvement. ITIL, you can say that the ITIL framework provides the best practice for each stage, ensuring that IT services are well planned, delivered efficiently, and continually optimized. And now we move on to the primary users. In COVID, typically used by IT managers, auditors, and governance teams. And COVID is more relevant to the people involved in high level decision making, IT strategy, and ensuring that IT complies with regulations and align with business goals. While ITIL used by the IT service managers, service desk teams, and operational staff. ITIL is primarily concerned with the day-to-day management of IT services. And so you can say that its users are often those who are directly involved in the delivery and the support of IT services. And the approach, the COBIT is a high level business oriented governance framework. COBIT takes a broader perspective, focusing on how IT can support the entire business. It ensures that IT functions are controlled and aligned with business objectives. Uh, while on the other hand, ITIL is an operational process oriented service, and it is a process oriented service management framework. It takes a more practical approach to managing IT services, focusing on operational efficiency processes and delivering high quality IT services. The guidance in guidance, COVID provides guidance on achieving business goals through IT governance. COVID helps organizations design their IT systems and process in a way that aligns with business objectives, maximize values, and minimize risks. Uh, and ITIL focuses on delivering high quality IT service to users. ITIL provides, basically you can say that ITIL provides best practices for improving how IT services are planned, implemented, supported, and continually improvement. And then move on to the integration. COBIT works well with other governance standards such as ISO 27001. COBIT is basically designed to complement other frameworks and standards focused on IT governance and risk management. While ITIL integrates with other ITSM frameworks like DevOps and Agile, ITIL is basically designed to be flexible and can easily be integrated with other modern service management approaches. So you can say the main difference between COBIT and ITIL is COBIT is focused more on governance and the alignment of IT with business objectives, and while ITIL focuses primarily on IT service management and the operational aspect of IT services. Basically, it ensures high quality service delivery. Oh. So now moving towards conclusion. In conclusion, I would like to say that COVID helps align IT with business goals by focusing on governance and risk management. While ITIL, you can say that it is more towards improves IT service quality and efficiency. So mainly Together, these both frameworks help organization manage risk, ensuring smooth operation and security. And there is a comprehensive approach to managing IT in a way that both supports business goals and ensures operational excellence. Now, these are the some references for your reference and from where we fetch the data. I hope you have the better understanding on corporate governance and information security after this presentation. And I hope you like our presentation. And thank you for watching and goodbye from all of us.